Good evening. We're with
Welcome.
Parker.
It's me.
It's wet.
It's cold.
We're here to. Parker wants to try. You wanted to try doing the bounty hunting.
Try doing bounty hunting and maybe look at Rise of Resistance. And you want to do one of the mountains tonight.
I want to do at least Big Thunder. I like Big Thunder, and it's rainy and empty. Like Main Street is like empty. So we're gonna go play.
Have fun.
Let's go. It's the wildest ride in the wilderness. It's the goat! Oh God! Oh boy! Oh. So that was a good 5-minute wait.
Yeah. Way better than the 15-minute wait that was posted.
Yeah, agreed. That was a little cold.
Yeah. At least it was just sprinkling slightly.
Yeah. Onward.
Yeah, let's go get the ride first.
I see you found the first bounty. Not bad. But you'll need to collect a lot more to join the Bounty Hunters Guild. Here are your credits.
So you did your first bounty.
You did too, apparently.
So apparently, the game tracks based on the Magic Band, not based on your account. So yeah, so I'm running with my Haunted Mansion band tonight, and it thinks it's the first time. What do you think though of your first time?
It was a lot of fun. It was very interactive. I will say the one downside is it takes a minute for it to respond to if you're walking the right way or not, and you kind of get like walking in circles because like, okay, maybe it is this way. Oh wait, it's not this way.
Yeah, so that was the same complaint I had the other day, but I was curious to hear what your thought is. Would you recommend playing it?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely. 10 out of 10 would recommend playing it if you have a Magic Band.
Yeah, I would not buy a Magic Band for it.
Just for that, no, but for the fact that I can just tap in with my Magic Band and don't have to pull out my phone to get into the park or get to my lightning lanes if I have my lightning lanes, 10 out of 10 would recommend for that.
Yeah, overall, still recommend the Magic Band, but don't buy it just for this. If you're even here for just a day, like we were here the other day with Parker's girlfriend, you did not join us for that. She lives out of state, but we bought it for the one day. She absolutely loved not having to pull the phone out and just use the Magic Band. So, recommend Magic Bands. Don't buy it just for the game. If you have it, though, play the game. It's fun.
Definitely.
Thank you for joining the cause. A covert resistance team led by my friend Finn has infiltrated a First Order Star Destroyer.
Tell them it's a prisoner transfer. Did it work? Good. Now get a move on. There's a clear path to the turbo lifts at the end of the hallway. Turn right. A probe droid. You're lucky it didn't spot you. shots came in a little off target.
Do you think you can?
Do what?
Do you think you can?
I don't know. I don't know if I can.
I like that. So fun fact, the music cuts off because you used to go a lot quicker in this bottom section, and it would cut off right about when you got to the station, not have to still do a good minute and a half of time without music. Still love the ride though.
How the fuck do you drive these things?
I told you, it doesn't matter how good of a driver you are, you cannot drive an Utopia car. Are you not entertained by your go-kart experience?
It goes too slow. Vroom, vroom.
It's meant for children.
Even fucking hydroplane. This is not like the go-karts I'm used to, where it's just a little bit of wetness with a little bit of water, and you can just slide through the entire thing. It's fun.
What go-kart you talking about? Old work?
Old work.
Old work. Yeah. Old work and water is fun. Until you're swimming with batting cages. Not fun. Though, easy way to get paid an 8-hour shift for 2 hours.
I've evacuated off that one, and then moved to the front of the line from the like 88.
He is a bad toy.
It's working. It's counting every so often.
You have saved our lives. We are eternally grateful.
Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Check the status board to determine your rank. And don't forget
I win
to holster
again.
those blasters.
I had a horrible start too. With the first room, I had like 5,000.
Hello. Oh, my friend. The brakes may be needing a little adjustment, but easy on the curves.
You seek the treasure of Mara. Glittering gold. It is yours. You look in my eyes.
You had to look, didn't you?
And with the castle covered in its fake snow, not lit yet, because it's not Christmas yet.
I watched in Southern California, where it doesn't snow.
It snows. It just doesn't snow here.
It doesn't snow in Anaheim.
Not really. Does it ever? I don't know.
Has it ever? Next question for another day.
That's a question for another day. It's been a good night. We came to do 2 things. We did a lot more. It's been a while since we've talked to the camera.
It has been.
So we've been jumping from ride to ride. We just got off Indiana Jones. There was a walk-on. We get to the end, and there was nobody even on the loading platform.
Yes, but then when we did walk out, they said it was temporarily closed.
Yeah, so maybe it broke down. I don't know. Anyways, it's been fun. It's been a good night. If you made it to this part of the video, why don't you go down there, right around this bottom corner over here, hit the like button and the subscribe button, maybe the bell icon. That's your choice. And while you're down there, you just throw in, an emoji in the comments, or what your favorite color is. I'm a little tired. Like, not much, but enough that I'm not really thinking. Anywho's, it's been real.
It's been fun.
Which means it's been real fun. Until next time, guys. See you later.